Good morning, students. Today we will discuss Amazon VPC, Amazon Virtual Private Cloud. Amazon's virtual private cloud services users to launch their virtual machine in a protected as well as isolation virtual environment dependent by that. VPC provides a creating customization or implementation of application organization data structure and its here is that Amazon is a organization who provided cloud services. Very popular organization which provided cloud services. And the data structure needs management also manage there are different and if like subnet marks available zone. According to the Amazon, they have different videos. We have discussion about structure of Amazon. There are two types of structure, four types of. But here is that Amazon are divided different types of zone, regions, and according to zone, regions, they have provided cloud services. And what is the virtual cloud service? Amazon can be referred to as private cloud. Inside cloud, usually logical booking services. Logically, they have cloud services, different sectors that have provided cloud services. And server that are deployed in the private will complete isolation of the server. Amazon web services, we can have complete control IP address. Virtual machine. And here is that Amazon function VPC consists of many distinct services gateway. The gateway is that connected multi-networking and load balance subnet data control, data structure and data control, and it is the architecture of the cloud services. And these resources under VPC create isolation virtual environment, although these services check multi-levels. Initial divided subnets with each other out along the logs. Here is that Amazon is giving services here VPC virtual private cloud. Here Amazon cloud services here is that. Out here is that different here is that zone 1. Here is that zone 2. But in previous we have discussed on different type of zone, 3 or more zone convert to region. Here is that zone 1 conversion, here zone 2, they are connected with a router 2. Here is router connected that have multiple purpose, they have provided, there have criteria affected here according to criteria that when zone 1 services, otherwise when zone 2 services, according to router 2, elastic loads, controls all the structure and control and zone and router connected with external. This is the structure of external structure of internet gateway control multiple networking system. This is the structure of Amazon cloud system. Amazon virtual cloud component can launch sources into defined virtual network using Amazon virtual private cloud. And Amazon implies a scalable instruction virtual network closely mimic conversion network. So here is that Amazon cloud have divided different types of subnet. Subnet means net within subnet का अंदर और जो है subnet means main net अंदर जैसे parent का child होता है child. Here is that net within the subnet. Here is that smaller network is the subnet. There are main network is that network. Here network within the other network is a subnet. Here router table whose control is the defined protocol traffic routing between the subnet. Networking access control. Networking access control is the firewall. Firewall is the security provided by the Amazon. This is also default network of the 5 scanner with Internet gateway. Internet will possible thing resources of VP to internet. Means there are previous discussion gateway. Gateway means there are two types of gateway. Either there are two types of gateway. Here, internet gateway provide a multi-networking facility. Networking address as networking address enable to connect it between private subnet, private or subnet to connected network. Amazon is the has internet access to called public subnet. Public subnet is an internet called private subnet network within Amazon zone. The entire subnet content with the single zones. Here is that Amazon is provided there are different subnets. Subnet is within the Amazon networking facility, and according to any networking can be guided. They say example they say contractor subcontractor means the work and tender is passed by the contractor, but other work is here is that networking cloud services provided Amazon, but Amazon cannot do all the work. He have given some sub proxy server and group of services provided proxy server under some organization that is subnet, and our single Amazon is the managed security, high security maintained by the Amazon services. And it is the server instant which a private subnet want to reach the internet and net publication. And subnet within the net, that is the subnet VNet. And we also add subnet and each available zone, each subnet that is in entire available zones. The public net attachment internet gateway which enable internet gateway previous way of discussion gateway is given more than others multi networking facility. A gateway device which has more than one networking facility. That also internet gateway connected through internet. That internet gateway is the resources present in the VP will enable access internet. Here is that VP can be hygiene preference running of the ICANN with distributed router table content is the code and control the road of networking traffic and control the network. Since on the networking time so many networking and the traffic control according to control their facility given the networking. The right table to be important to work done by the there are different connected with router, but the router will control according to zone, regions, the control and given networking facility. Not networking control is the VP server firewall manager traffic entering data during the controls. And NAT is the default VP activated connected default subnet. Subnet means net within the subnet here is the class of internet domain routing. Technically the IP address is the routing called the classes internet domain routing its range 0 to 30 and the range of the internet class domain is that 0.32. But in VP must be specify IP4 we accept using classes. Example IP4 is that 10.0.00 something for IP4 main CS blocks. And is the address private address is the internet organized node, internet host IP address known as internet. This IP address employs private network that also be provided can be accessed both of IP address. Here is that example of IP address. Here is that 10.225. Here is the example of IP address. How to IP address here. Amazon's repeat addressing translating the working of the solution IP address. IP address work on the IP address floating thanks network address communicates internet server NAT to internet private networks. And the class of Amazon VPN is a public facing website and single tier basic web. Single tier means there are one managing on the and outcome security applications. This will also be completed of the part Amazon's cloud private services. Amazon cloud services here is the infrastructure. Here is the infrastructure, how to here is the subnet is the net within the subnet and within the subnet there are subnet private, there are group of private network within a zones. Here is there some private within a zone controlled by the router. And it control the traffic of the outer connectivity or communication. It also be communication and on the Amazon cloud services. This also be technology of Amazon cloud service.